Look at you. Don't look at the camera like that. You're so vicious. All of you are so vicious. All of you. Don't jump on top of him like that, you meanie. You are now officially a bully. Congratulations. Why are y'all being so vicious? Huh? You don't gotta be mean. Jumping all over people. We need to cut the grass. You agree, don't you? You agree that we need to cut the grass. Goodness, you feel dirty. Oh, that's not fat. Oh, Jesus Christ, okay. I haven't been out here so long. Trust me, this doesn't work. It's all rusty. I would go searching for Mr. Garden Snake, but I don't feel like getting bit today. Anyway. I finally got my first subscriber today, and I'm very happy, and it was Sonic Fan. I am so happy. Thank you for subscribing to me. And I'm going to go now. Peace out.